premium rubber wheels from Blickle. Discover Baron's line of premium high-performance rubber wheels. Commonly used in industries such as music and film, events, medical engineering, mechanical engineering, and trade fair construction. These wheels are built with advanced rubber compounds like soft motion, easy roll, and thermoplastic, and offer smooth rolling and excellent floor protection. Perfect for transporting sensitive goods, they're ideal for industries where shock absorption, quiet operation, and durability are essential. Look for these SKU codes when shopping for premium rubber wheels at Baron Equipment. The series includes options with swivel casters, rigid casters, as well as just the wheels, all designed for versatile, heavy-duty use. Want to learn more? Visit baroneq.com.